outside the bracket. So the signs would be as they are. So it is 5x square minus x by 3 plus 5 by 2 minus x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 2x square plus x by 5 minus 1 by 6. Okay, next just go on solving this. Combine all x squares and x and without x in one on one side. So 3x square minus x square by 2 minus 1 upon x upon 3 plus x upon 2 plus x upon 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Okay, so solve this. 5x square upon 2 minus outside, so this becomes x upon 3 minus x upon 2 minus x upon 5. Common denominator over here is 6, so 15 minus 2 minus 1, the whole upon 6. Again solve this. So 5x square upon 2 will remain as it is, and solve this bracket. LCM of 3, 2 and 5 is 30. Solve for this numerator. You get 10x minus 15x minus 6 plus 12 upon 6. Okay, now this is, solve this, you will get minus 11 upon 11x upon 30. Okay, minus minus plus, so 5x square upon 2 plus 11x upon 30 plus 2. So that is the required answer. Find the value of 4x plus 3y the whole upon 5, no, only 3y upon 5 into 3x minus 4y upon 5. Quite simple. Solve the bracket for the first one. So 4x into 3x minus 4y upon 5 plus 3y into 3x minus 4y upon 5. So just multiply this, open the brackets. 12x square minus 16xy upon 5 plus 9xy upon 5 minus 12y square upon 25. Multiply these. Okay. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.